Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many of us have faced if in case you are using a laptop which have a very poor quality speaker, or you are using a desktop with built-in speaker in your monitors. Sometimes what happen when we try to play some video online, for example in YouTube, and because of the poor quality of speakers, you may not able to enjoy what you listen as the sound amplitude is not that great. So in this video, we will talk about a quick extension that is available with Google Chrome that will help us to improve the sound by increasing the amplitude. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have opened Google Chrome. Now you just need to hit on this top right corner on these three dots, and then here we need to click on extension. Then go to visit Chrome store. Now here you need to look for this option which says volume master. Just click on add to Chrome. And if you are worried about how good this application will work, then here you can see the rating of this application is 4.8 out of 5, and that too with around 30k users, which is gonna let you know how good actually this application is. Now after installing it to Chrome, let's close it, and let me actually again go here on the top right corner. You need to click here on this icon, which is again extension, and then you need to pin your volume master. Now here, whenever you play any video in your web browser, just need to click here on this volume master, and then here you can increase or decrease volume based on your need. So here we can see the 100% is here, and then we are increasing the volume. And anytime you want to make it 100%, you can either use this slider, or you simply need to click here on this reset to 100% volume. That's all guys from my side in this quick video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then please consider like and subscribe to this channel for more such informative content, and I will catch you soon in my another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.